Flashwords English.
100 sports name in English. Basketball, baseball, softball, American football, soccer, volleyball, beach volleyball, handball, dodgeball, kickball, tennis, table tennis or ping pong, badminton, squash, racquetball, pickleball, paddle tennis, swimming, diving, water polo, synchronized swimming, surfing, windsurfing, kite surfing, rowing, kayaking, canoeing, ice hockey, figure skating, speed skating, skiing, snowboarding, cross-country skiing, bobsled, luge, skeleton, curling, boxing, wrestling, judo, karate, taekwondo, kung fu, aikido, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, kickboxing, mixed martial arts MMA, capoeira, fencing, cycling, mountain biking, BMX, rock climbing, mountaineering, hiking, trail running, orienteering, skateboarding, inline skating, parkour, parachuting, paragliding, hang gliding, horse riding, polo, rodeo, bull riding, dog sled racing, camel racing, car racing, motorcycle racing, kart racing, golf, bowling, billiards or pool, snooker, archery, shooting, darts, bocce, croquet, gymnastics, rhythmic gymnastics, aerobics, cheerleading, yoga, cricket, kabaddi, pilots, weightlifting, bodybuilding, CrossFit, ultimate frisbee, disc golf, paintball, laser tag, trampoline, obstacle course racing, chess, marathon, hurdles, speed climbing,